2023 Bowman Sapphire. 2 boxes. PYT number 27. This stuff is really, really good. Love it. Only the second time I'm opening it. I'm excited. Last one I got Junior Caminero auto. I love the fact these have autos, this Sapphire. Good luck to everybody. Everybody. Ah, that's a really good color. Pretty sure that's red. It's like orange and red in the first few packs. Pretty sure we have red. Red is a good color. 1 is the loneliest number. That's orange, man. 2 oranges and a red. Tyler, don't worry about me. I appreciate you. Would I rather have twins in tribute? For yourself, I would say twins. I got my ass kicked, Jimmy. It was a bad summer for me. I lost a bunch of money, but it happens. I would say probably twins. Wow, nice. Another orange. This stuff is really loaded. All right, good luck to everybody. Let's get it. Good luck. Orange right away. No waiting. There's Rada. How about Imarian Boyd? 10 out of 50 for the Filskis. Kumar Rocker, our auto in the first box for the Rangers, going to Foxco Marine. This stuff is super loaded. Oh, purple. Braylon Bishop to 25. 12 out of 25. The hits keep coming. So far, this is really good. Gabe Gonzalez, Julian, Jorge, Rada. One is the loneliest number you'll ever do. It's not that he's not that he's tough. It's just it's not his first in that Bowman Jumbo, so. We continue. I see more good color back there. Jay Savina, Junior Caminero, Christian Hernandez to 55 for the Cubbies. Josue de Paula and another orange. Joffrey, the Butler. Solano 27 out of 50. We continue. Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop. Green, Christian Serta first. 12 out of 60 for the Diamondbacks. Moises, there's Jay Sevilla again. Angel, how you like me now? Junior, another one. That's 2 of them. Here's an auto. Here's your auto. How you doing? How Yuli? Wow. Phillies crushing. Got the Imarian Boyd also. Philly's doing solid. How You Lee is our second autograph for the Phillies. Going to Chuck this time. We keep going. Can't stop, won't stop. Crawford. The red coming up. We'll save it for a guess. Malloy, Justin Henry. He's supposed to be pretty good, by the way. Orange, Josh Baez. 14 out of 50. Here, you know what? We'll leave the red there. Put that down. There's Serta. There's Jorge. There's Muncy. While I sleeve some cards, why don't you guys go ahead and guess? Let's play Guess the Red. Guess the Red for $69. It's late. Blaz After Dark. Guess the Red for $69. Let's see who's paying attention. I'm going to sleeve some cards. Thank you. Thank you. Bless you. Thank you, Dave. My two cats' names are Alfredo and Sabrina. I love them both very, very much. Alfie is he's uber friendly. He'll say hello to anybody that walks in the front door. He'll brush up against you and try to get love. Sabrina, you gotta earn her trust. She will hide and run away, and you won't see her until you get to really know her, or until she gets to really know you. She has no interest in new people. Even like my wife and I, she runs away from half the time. She's like super paranoid. She's just always on guard. All right, here we go. I love the cats, yeah. Good luck on the red. Guesses are up. There's Churio, there's Ruiz. Here we go with the red. Is it a first? No, not a first. Not a first. It's a White Sox. It's Colson. Colson Montgomery to 10 on the red piece for the White Sox. Going to Steve. Man, the White Sox, aren't they a $7 team? Didn't he get this for $7? Leatherface, he got it. I think they're like a $7 team. Yeah, Colson, I mean, if he's healthy, he could be good. White Sox should be hitting. Yeah, that's amazing for $7 for the White Sox. Here's a recap. How You Like Me Now, Junior, JC, Junior, Josue, Rada, Jorge, Julian, and Gonzo. I missed a Jorge. There it is. Hip hip Jorge. Colson Montgomery to 10 for the White Sox, the $7 White Sox. Hernandez to 55, Joffrey to 50, Serta to 60, Baez to 50, Imari and Boyd to 50. So much orange. Good colors in this two boxes. Braylon Bishop to 25, and our two autos were How You Doing? The Joey from Friends, How You Lee, and Kumar Rocker for the Rangers. Thank you for joining. That was a pretty solid two boxes. PYT 27 of Sapphire. That was a break.